bagay ang asawa. Gawagan mo na sino.
Okay, 10 seconds. Okay lang po ng blur mo. Set mo na siya. Okay, in 3, 2, camera tanaw, 1. Okay na to.
Hey guys, so I got some parcels delivered today, but I already opened them because I couldn't wait. So first one is this Boya BY V1 wireless mic with noise reduction. So hopefully you can't hear any background noise around me right now. So second one is this TNW MalSafe tripod. So it's very convenient if you are filming yourself solo because as you can see, dali lang siya gamitin. So to see if it's really working, I have here a magnetic mirror. So I used them before, put them on my phone. So here, as you can see, it's really sturdy and it's working very well. So hopefully both of the things I bought from Shopee would hold up over time kasi medyo pricey din siya. So if you want, I'll just put the link in the description box for these two items. So yun, that's it. Ciao!